President Yoweri Museveni has congratulated his grandson, Ruhamaiya Kainerugaba, and fellow Ugandan cadet candidate Bakirya Ruyondo on their graduation from the Royal Military Academy Sandhurst in the UK, officially welcoming them into the Uganda People's Defence Forces, that's UPDF. Bakirya distinguished himself by winning the prestigious International Sword Award as the best international cadet. And before we go ahead, there is a video that has been circulating mostly by the people who support NRM and those who support PLU. That video is a AI video which is being generated by a TikToker. You can check the video yourself of the grandson, Asrumia, greeting the mother. It's clearly AI. That's the AI video, and it came from the very man who also made this same AI video. So if you come across that celebrated video of Rumia hugging the mother, just know you need to ignore that video completely because it is AI. Now, if we take a look at the key highlights, there is graduation. You need to know about the graduation which was held at Sandhurst Sovereign's Parade on August 7, 2026, where 247 cadets were commissioned. Ruhamaiya Kainerugaba, the eldest son of General Muboozi Kainerugaba, Uganda's Chief of Defence Forces, who joined the UPDF in June 2025 as a private before being selected for officer training at Sandhurst. You need to know something about Andrew Bakirya Ruyondo from Kazo district. He won the National Sword awarded to the overseas cadet with the strongest performance in leadership, resilience, and military skills. The Museveni message is, in his statement, Museveni thanked God for protecting Uganda and for the achievements of the national resistance movement, that's NRM, over the past 60 years. He emphasized that army service provides a strong foundation for young Ugandans. Looking at what he said about the family tradition, Ruhamaiya's graduation continues a military legacy. His father, General Muboozi, also trained at Sandhurst in Tuan, while Museveni himself led the NRA guerrilla war that brought him to power in 1986. So what's the symbolism for NRM? Museveni linked the milestone to the resilience of the ruling party, portraying military service as part of Uganda's national strength. There is also general continuity. Ruhamaiya's commissioning reflects a third generation of Museveni's family in military leadership, reinforcing the family's deep ties to Uganda's armed forces. So what's the international recognition? Bakirya's award highlights Uganda's growing reputation in international military training programs. So what's the implication for Uganda? The commissioning of Ruhamaiya and Bakirya strengthens the UPDF's officer corps with internationally trained leaders. Now for the youth, Museveni's emphasis is on military service as a good foundation. Is a direct appeal to young Ugandans to consider careers in the army. Now for politics, the event underscores the continuing intertwining of Museveni's family with Uganda's military and political structures, a dynamic that has shaped the country's governance for decades and appears like a dynasty.